Alexa, turn off the bedroom humidifier.
Okay.
Good night.
Say hello to the Braava mopping robot from iRobot. And say goodbye to everyday messes. Just press clean. Braava automatically knows what to do. The precision jet spray loosens dirt, while the vibrating cleaning head gently scrubs stains. Braava uses iRobot's advanced navigation software and a full suite of sensors to map and track where it's been, helping it mop in an efficient, systematic cleaning pattern. It keeps going until the whole room is clean. Braava is great for kitchens and bathrooms. It's small enough to work its way into tight spots. It carefully cleans around obstacles, so it won't harm furniture, rugs, or walls. When it's done, simply eject the pad. Your hands never touch the dirt. Braava features 3 cleaning modes. It recognizes the type of cleaning pad and automatically adjusts the way it cleans. Attach a wet mopping pad, and Braava uses a triple pass cleaning motion, precision jet spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to tackle dirt and stains. Attach a damp sweeping pad, and Braava uses a double pass cleaning motion, reduced spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to gently clean everyday dust and dirt. With a dry sweeping pad, Braava traps and locks dust, dirt, and pet hair using a single pass cleaning motion. Braava is great for hard floors like hardwood, tile, and stone, so you can enjoy cleaner floors and a fresher home every day. You, Braava and iRobot. Better together.
Leaves, clogs, bugs, and other pests in your gutters. To leave them would cause water damage and overspills. To clean them would swallow up a whole weekend. That is, until now. The iRobot Looj 300 series gutter cleaning robot is a must-have tool for your home maintenance arsenal. Looj takes this dangerous and dirty job and does it for you. No more repeated ladder climbing. No more overreaching from dangerous heights. No more Sundays wasted. Simply place Looj into the gutter using the detachable handle and let the robot get to work. Spinning at 500 RPM, the high-velocity 4-stage auger breaks apart clogs, then lifts and throws them away from your roof as sweepers and a scraper clear the remaining debris and make sure the path is cleared for the robot to travel. Looj gets its power from a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, giving it the muscle needed to handle your gutters. Looj can be used in either automatic clean mode or manual mode. In clean mode, just push the clean button, and Looj travels down your gutter on its own. sensing and adapting to debris to provide the most effective cleaning. Manual mode allows you to control the robot's forward and reverse directions using the detachable handle, which doubles as the remote control. At just under 2 inches high and 3 inches wide, Looj fits in most K-style gutters. This low-profile design allows Looj to easily travel under most gutter straps and over downspout holes. Looj cleans gutters faster than traditional methods, cleaning up to a 30-foot section of gutter in about 5 minutes. Doing this manually takes 5 times longer on average. The robot's waterproof design is not only critical for clearing wet leaves, but also makes for an easy cleanup using your garden hose. Looj comes complete with an additional set of smaller, more compact ejectors, allowing you to customize your auger for varying types of debris found in different seasons or conditions. Looj reduces the risk of injury from repetitive climbing and extended time on ladders, and also helps to prevent overreaching from dangerous heights. The slip-resistant rubber handle and hands-free belt clip combine for safer ladder climbing and robot handling. iRobot is driven by a passion for building practical robots like Looj that make a meaningful difference in people's lives. The iRobot Looj 300 series gutter cleaning robot takes a dangerous, dirty job and does it for you.
Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Elias.
We're part of the team behind Sonic Soak.
Sonic Soak is a smartphone-sized device that uses ultrasound technology to clean almost anything in ways never before possible.
It cleans to the microscopic level, beyond what any laundry machine or cleaning spray can do. The inspiration for this device came from the fact that we were frequent travelers, and cleaning our clothes while on the go was always a hassle, so we had to set out to find a good solution.
It's also quiet and can be used to clean more than clothes. It can clean glasses, jewelry, fruits, razors, baby bottles, products that are tough to clean using sponges or rags or your hands or soap and water.
I think they get the idea, Elias.
Okay, I just want to be clear. This is the best way to clean pretty much anything.
Sonic Soak works by generating ultrasonic sound waves that create microscopic high-pressure bubbles to wash away dirt, grime, and oils.
We had no idea at the time that we'd come up with was a device that had so many benefits outside of travelers wanting an easy way to wash clothes while on the go.
It's also simple to use. You simply place it in water, add some soap, turn on the built-in timer, and walk away. 30 minutes later, your clothes are cleaner than ever before.
Sonic Soak is designed for travelers, moms, neat freaks looking for a thorough cleanse, and not just on clothes, by the way, but on fruits and vegetables too. Folks with small loads of laundry, fashionistas that need a better solution for their gentle cycle or hand wash only clothes, folks that don't have the space for a full-size laundry machine. Really, it's for anyone who wants a cleaner, well, almost anything. Because Sonic Soak is more than a great way to clean your laundry, it can clean just about anything you can stick in the water with it.
So if you like things clean, free from all those nasty things you can only see up close, Sonic Soak is your solution.
Sonic Soak is ready to be shipped just after our campaign ends. We just need you to help make it happen.
Which means you can have a cleaner almost anything in practically no time once we end this campaign successfully. So please help us bring Sonic Soak to mass production and experience clean like never before. Now you can enjoy a cleaner lifestyle wherever you go.
We're surrounded by compelling design, and our home is our most important space. Our time is spent creating safe, comfortable environments for our families. But there's a product in our home that hasn't been improved in over 100 years. The toilet brush is filthy, it drips on the floor and is full of bacteria. It's often covered in toxic chemicals which are dangerous for children, and using one is never pleasant. The only alternative are flushable pads, which look cheap and cost over $100 a year in refills. They're also terrible for the environment because they're made in factories, packaged and shipped around the world, only to be thrown away with each use. The Loogun is a groundbreaking solution for keeping the bathroom hygienic. It's simple to use, requires no installation, and cleans the toilet with a powerful spray of clean water. Its neutral design suits any bathroom, and as it never touches the toilet, it stays clean and safe for children. The powerful motor delivers the perfect level of power to clean above and below water, and is designed to ensure there is no splashback. It cleans submerged surfaces with a sharp spray, and the simple design means anyone can use it. The reservoir holds a full 300 ml of clean water. It detaches with a simple click and can be filled under any tap in just a few seconds. It comes with a floor stand to sit neatly next to the toilet, and the 4 AA batteries will last for around 9 months if you use it once a day. To create an amazing product, our team has spent 2 years on design, engineering and testing to perfect every detail. Our patents are filed, and we have one of the world's leading manufacturing companies lined up and ready to start production. If you like the Loogun, please support us by selecting one of the reward levels down the right. We're super excited to share our project with you, and hope that if you dislike toilet brushes as much as we do, you'll help us bring it to life.